Hey guys, welcome back to Coding Flamingo. In this video we're going to look at how to geo-replicate our databases. So it's good practice to have your services geo-redundant in case something happens and something goes down. So in this case we're just going to replicate our database that we created, and it's very simple, no code required. So in here we're going to select where we want to replicate. So our secondary, in this case, we're just going to do Central US. We're going to create a new server. So now that we added our, I honestly don't use this. I just set it up with a random password, and then I use my actual Azure Active Directory account to log in. So we're going to create this server. You can make it part of an elastic pool. In this case, the pricing tier, it actually copies whatever your main server is. So we're going to do OK. And the deployment is in process. We're going to wait until it's done, and I'll fast forward. So once the deployment is finished, you can set up your automatic failovers. So in here we're going to go, so we have our primary server, then we set up our secondary server, and in here we come up, so this is the database you're going to connect, this is the URL that you're going to use to connect to the database, and it will do the automatic failover. So I usually do the the regular databases. I do on the name, I put the location where they are, and then the main one I just call it like either like the real, in this case I would call it what I called it in the first one, so Coding Flamingo tutorial database. And then in here you can do that the read write failover policy. You can do it that it's automatic or that you have to do it manually. I just usually leave it to automatic. You can always force it. And read write grace period, it only lets you, like the lowest it lets you do is 1 hour, but if you want to do it higher, you can do higher. And after that, we're just gonna create it. And once that's done, you have created your deployment failover. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.